Hi everybody, I'm SafeMan4202, and this is going to be a test of the the smoke detectors in my house. These are just old first alert detectors that aren't hardwired, but I am trying to get them hardwired, so they do code 3. That's 1. But it's alright, you can actually, I've woken up in the middle of the night. Well, not in the middle of the night, but my mom was, I don't know, who was cooking like really late, and it went off, and I heard it, so that's pretty good. There's a second one, same one, but the attic one is a little bit different, which I will show you when we go up there. Okay. Alright. I just blinked. Alright, here we go. Code 3 again. Okay. Alright. Now, for the attic one. But not only are we going to do a smoke detector video, there's also going to be a video, or test, we'll say, of my security system. Now, the attic's a mess, and next week we are looking to clean everything out. Alrighty. Let's see here. There it is. A little bit different. Same thing, just code 3. Let's do it. That's, hold on, what's that? Over here. So this is it. It's this one, first alert, test and silence button, back of it and all. And the base is just, just a regular first alert base like that. Which, a lot of home smoke detectors have that, including my dad's. Okay. You know what? I might make a video of my stepdad's house, where he has his smoke detectors, and they're hardwired. So I think that'll be pretty cool. It's like one time I was up in my room, my mom was cooking, they all went off. I was going to report it, but they turned them off, so. Okay, now for the security system. Let's see. Hold on 1 second. Hey, will you tell Mom that I'm doing the security system, okay? I was just telling my brother that we're gonna do the security system, so let's go ahead and do it. So I don't want to startle them. So why don't I show you the panel first, because I know you guys really haven't seen it before. I'm not the MS2, the security panel. So, come in here. Usual MS2, like always. And this one, this is our SafeWatch Pro 3000EN addressable security and fire alarm system. I don't have the fire portion hooked up, because obviously we have that. And we have a SafeHouse Mini. It's a piezo siren. It's actually, I don't know, I think they should call it a horn, not a piezo. It's loud. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to set it off from upstairs first, and then I'm going to leave the camera down here so you guys can hear this one. Right? And yes, we have a battery trouble, because the battery has to be replaced. So, let's see, ADT installed it. Tyco. So let's go ahead and set it off real quick. When we do test, it does walk test mode. And there's the alarm in there. And the motion sensor. So like when I set the alarm at night, I have to make sure nobody's in this room. So, alright, so the keypad right here. Okay, good, it's ready. So, go ahead and I'll show you what it's like when to arm it. So, usually what I do is I hit function and away, bypass, off. Alright, here we go. Ready? Okay, I think I needed ear protection there, but okay. Now I'm gonna put the camera down here in the laundry room, and okay, I think I have a headache now. I'll lean it up against that so you can hear the mini side. This camera's probably not gonna stay up, so you probably have to look at the fire extinguisher, but you get the gist of it. Alright guys, here we go. Alrighty. And that's about it for that. That's just the basics of it. So like somebody were to, so if this were to go off normally, it would just be continuous going. And that has happened before in the past, and yes, it was loud and all. And this system actually is compatible with i3s. And like if I were to put the addressable NBG12LX, whereas a pull station on a zone, it would work. And yes, I just got this today. Hopefully I will hook it up soon. So anyway guys, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. And yeah, we'll see you all later. Have a good day.